Hello again from Macking Domain. I'm Tu, and today we have Yokti again here with another product preview.
Yeah. Today we have AKiTio products, which is the Thunderbolt 3 to 10 gig. 10 gig network is actually part and parcel of our daily life right now because of the big data. So AKiTio came out with this Thunderbolt 3 to 10 gig module. So you can use on both Mac and Windows.
I see.
Let me just show you this item. This is the box, and this is the unit, and this is the Thunderbolt 3 cable.
I see there's no power supply for this unit, so you just need one USB cable to power this?
No, it's a Thunderbolt 3 cable.
It's a oh yeah, that's Thunderbolt 3.
Yeah. So Thunderbolt 3 also carry power nowadays.
I see.
So this is the unit.
So where do you foresee this being useful?
These are for people who uses a lot of so-called huge data. They need to copy huge data, or they need to receive the huge data from the server or things like that. So it's actually a network. Gone are the days where we spend a lot of money on a 10 gig switch. Right now, with a 16 port 10 gig switch, you're talking about less than 5,000. Then you can actually set up a 16 port network switch already. So basically that you can, for your laptop, you don't have 10 gig, right? The Mac Pro and the iMac Pro has 10 gig, but the new Mac Pro doesn't have. So you can actually connect to this and then go through the network, and you can actually copy files at high speed. Now a lot of devices, it doesn't come with the Thunderbolt cable, but AKiTio, we ship every product with the Thunderbolt 3 cable. So even this cable already costs like 200 ringgit if you buy from Apple.
I see.
Yeah, so actually it's quite a good piece of investment. Yeah.
So when you say big data, you're talking upward to how large are the files?
Because the people who do video production nowadays, they shoot 4K, 5K, 6K, even 8K right now. When they need to copy big files from one place to another, if they have a server, they can actually connect this to the network.
I see.
They can actually directly dump the footages into the central storage. Alright, so if let's say you have like 3 or 4 person work in the workflow in the projects, you can actually use the solution as well.
I see.
Yeah.
So we are looking at more of laptop users in this case, right?
Yeah, for the DIT, when they need to work with like so-called offline editors, you can also work with the people who do grading, OneLight. All those people, you can actually use it. Of course, not just that, there are a lot of other people who want to use big data as well. So if you go through the 1 gig network, it's going to be very slow. So if you use a 10 gig, actually the pipe opens up. So your computer is performing very well, but your 1 gig network is actually very slow, then become a problem, but bottleneck there.
I see.
So if you want to upgrade your computer to the higher performance, you need to open up your bandwidth network port as well. Yeah.
So how much are we looking at for this unit?
This unit is actually in ringgit, it's about 950 ringgit, and we do have stock right now immediately, and it comes with 1 year warranty.
I see. So are there any additional features for this unit that you can think of?
No, it's
Pretty straightforward.
Pretty straightforward. So you need performance to the network. This is the unit to go.
I see. Thanks.
Yeah.
So if you'd like to know more about this, feel free to browse our website, mackingdomain.com, or feel free to contact any one of us, and we'll be happy to do a demonstration of this unit if you like.
Yeah.
And I guess that's it from us today. Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.